The third product on this list is the Initech RGB Hard Drive Docking Station. The Initech RGB Hard Drive Docking Station is an efficient tool designed for those who need to manage multiple hard drives. Made from a combination of aluminum and plastic, this dock offers a lightweight yet durable build, weighing just 0.57 pounds. One of the standout features of this docking station is its RGB LED lighting. The lights flash rapidly when a hard drive is active and transition to breathing mode when the drives are idle or removed. This adds a touch of style and visual feedback to the device. The Initech dock also offers offline cloning, meaning you can clone a hard drive without needing a computer. This feature is convenient for backing up data or transferring files between drives without the hassle of a connected PC. It also supports USB 3.0 with USB for faster data transfer speeds and hot swapping, which allows you to swap drives without powering off the dock. However, one of the drawbacks is that it requires a separate power adapter to function, which could limit its portability. Additionally, while the offline cloning feature is useful, it might be a bit complex for users who are unfamiliar with cloning processes.